Microphone check, microphone test 1 2 3. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCR254 and you tune in for another one. I know I said I was gonna vacate right quick, but one more time, it's not the vacate that you thought it was. It's not gonna be like a month hiatus. As you can see, I already been working. You know what I'm saying? It's like a clear walkway, like let my people go Pharaoh type shit, right? So still some stuff that we need to get rid of, get sold. These seats going back in the Caprice, the speaker box that is sitting on, gotta get sold. This little odd and end stuff there. It basically didn't turn into another table. So once we get that gone and out of the way, all of that'll free up and we'll be good to go as far as that. I apologize for the fan, but Texas summer, and that's all I gotta say about that. But yeah, man, once again, man, thanks to everybody for the birthday wishes. Had a couple more, got some gifts from some subscribers that was in the live stream, but you might not have would have seen them. But I want to make sure that y'all seen them, so I'm gonna bring them to the light in this video right here. Shout out to my boy Raj. Also, my birthday twin and shit, man. Sent me this keychain here. Boom. See if y'all can see that. Caprice, come on. Oh, you ain't gonna focus. Okay, there you go. Caprice keychain, man. He also sent me a harmonic balancer bolt, and he also sent me this one here, a beautiful addition to the Chevy. If y'all haven't been catching the Chevy videos, Chevy's good, Chevy's rolling. She's all the way together for the most part. Drove her the past couple nights. In a row. Haven't been having no issues. Mainly just in the city, stop and go traffic. That's when cars are most prone to overheating. It's not when they're on the highway and all that shit. So, yeah. So, just like I said, gotta get just now. Really, just little small parts. The identifying the issues with the windows, which we already knew about. I brought it up. There's a seal that goes like inside of the track of the window that holds that together. There's also felts that go to the bottom, so I'm gonna be looking into getting those. I think I seen them on eBay for the low. Well, not necessarily for the low, but I seen them on eBay. The other gift, I was finna get off track. The other gift, man, came from my boy Cortez. I'll show you what we got there. So basically what this is, let me get something to open it. So basically what this is going to be a bracket for the alternator, and bracket for the alternator and the power steering pump. So this one right here, we will be using and upgrading from the one on the Chevy. Hopefully I won't have to change the belt size. If I do, cool. If I don't, that's even better. So yeah, this should be getting installed here in the near future as well. He told me don't take forever to install it, so yeah. But yeah, man, colors gonna be up next and everything like that. Still got the supercharger I need to get sold. But yeah, man, shout out to my boy Cortez for everything you've done, man. So yeah, that bracket is gonna be for that. That'll bring that all the way kind of modern on the brackets. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LSCR254, man. And I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog, DJ Jamalot, at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. Boom. So the following message has been brought to you by LSCR254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted LSCR or Caprice today. We go from here. Now, as far as the, like I said, the Caprice, the small stuff. Getting everything together on that. So coming up in the future, I'm finna probably slow it down again. Like I was pushing and pushing, I was pushing because I had a deadline to hit with the Chevy. Told y'all about my birthday, it was gonna be rolling. It was in that bitch and we hit it. Second big milestone deadline that we set for ourselves and we hit for this year. So I would say the next one, well, I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Cause there's a couple of things that's finna be going on, and I just gotta get myself ready and prepared for them. Goal that I have is to really get off into this tuning thing. HP tuners is only one part of what you need. So you also need a wideband. You know what I'm saying? You need a wideband. So here in the near future, I'm gonna be grabbing one of them. Also, what else? Yeah, so I mean that's pretty much the biggest thing. You need a wideband. You need to be able to actually read what your fuel ratio is. The Caprice, although it is it gonna adjust? It ain't gonna adjust. Let me see if I touch over there. Okay, but then you can't see me. So you gotta pick a battle. Pick a battle. But yeah, so the Caprice, like I said, it's good, but it's good, it's running, but I know it's running rich. So to get that wideband, get that tone, rich is good as far as the engine is concerned about, I'm saying, the life of it. You know what I'm saying? It runs fine, I don't have no issues of it, whatever. However, with it running rich like that, it's gonna burn a whole lot more gas than it needs to. Therefore, you know, you're wasting gas. So get it tuned to where it's not using as much gas, and so we can pretty much go from there. Cause it ain't gonna be no crazy power adders or nothing like that. So after we finish that up, then we'll be moving on around, finishing up the C10, which is pretty much done. Shout out to Cortez. Moving forward to door panels. I gotta knock the door panels out. Taking care of the tires. I don't know if y'all peep the blues. The blues cool over here. Bluetooth over here. I got another tire or rim or whatever. I got that painted, just gotta get put on. So I need about 2. So with this replacing one of the front tires, and so I still need 2 tires pretty much. And for those, I won't try to get them from the junkyard. I just buy new tires, put them on there, and go from there. So that'll be good. What else? Yeah, other than that, man, seating is good. Fans cutting on, all that good stuff is happening over here as well. So we will. This is the dash that never got complete, finished, done. I will probably come back and revisit that. I didn't, like I said, with the deadline I had set, I wasn't able to get it done for the Caprice, but I still have it. I still can work on it. No big deal. Yeah, so that's C10. That's Caprice. Oh, so the colors. So the colors, as you know, still need to complete the drivetrain as well as get tuning with it. So the same thing that I'm waiting for or going to purchase the wideband for Caprice will be the same thing that I will pretty much need to dial in the tuning for this. Learning the tuning for that will put me in the seat to be able to tune this, you know what I'm saying, get it right, and then come back like that one, then that one, and then I'll hop over this one, and that's kind of like a wrap. But before I can really tune this one, we're gonna have to get the drivetrain complete. So that's gonna be coming. Somebody said something about Cutlass by Christmas. We're gonna see. So if you want to see Cutlass done, we're gonna fuck around and hit all. We're gonna try to hit 3 deadlines this year. 3. First was the Cutlass first start. Second was the Caprice, which was about my birthday. So the third one, Cutlass by Christmas. Make it a fucking hashtag. If you want to see the Cutlass done by Christmas, put hashtag Cutlass by Christmas 2020. Hashtag Cutlass by Christmas 2020, and we gonna make it happen. I'm like 2 for 2 this year. Know what I'm saying? Like maybe I can go 3 for 3. Know what I'm saying? So hashtag Cutlass for Christmas 2020. Know what I'm saying? We gonna make it happen. So I don't know how many people gonna comment, but if we get a lot of people commenting it, putting hashtag Cutlass by Christmas 2020, we gonna make that shit happen. On my mama. Big leaps and bounds and strides have been done this year. I was able to finish up the Caprice. Cortez hopped in and he helped me with the C10 to go ahead and get that pushed across the finish line, like as a complete project. So now it's really just the Cutlass left. We don't have to really worry about the interior or any of that. On the Cutlass is really just drivetrain and getting it going. You know what I'm saying? Drivetrain and getting it going. We already did the rims and all that stuff, so it's just these last little pieces that we gotta get, and then she gonna be good to go. So like I said, I'm probably finna get back into like slower down mode and maybe a couple videos a week. But like I said, it was only like that, like bang 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 bang, because I had to get that Cutlass done, or had to get that Caprice done by my birthday. Yeah, I owed it to myself. I owed it to y'all. I owed it to myself. So what else did I get? Oh yeah. My boy Derek had let me use his vacuum gauge to vacuum out my AC system. So I went ahead and bought me one. So when I get ready to do, that way when I get ready to do the Cutlass AC or the C10 AC, if either of them get AC, which the way it's looking and the way I'm so confident in doing that AC now, is like, yeah, nigga, you get an AC, you get an AC. It just costs a little bit of money, that's all. About $100, because to do the AC, and I think I said this before, like to do the AC system on these LS swaps, you're looking at about $150 to $200 for the bracket, depending upon where you're getting it from. Another $100, $200 for the compressor. Depending upon the vehicle, if you're able to get the lines, like use the lines from a stock vehicle, like luckily for us, for the Caprice, I was able to use the I was basically able to take the line off of 90 or 89, yeah, 89 90 Caprice, and I was able to use that AC line on my 84 box, which it mounted up to that compressor the right way, as well as put it on the passenger side versus the driver side how it was on the 305. But yeah, I understand everything now, the wiring, all that jazz, I got it. So if the AC lines are there for that application, then you can do that. Just gotta do a little research, man. Look around, search around, see what other people have been doing, and go from there. But yeah, that's all I got. Oh yeah, identify your weakness, make your strength. Merch is in the description box below. Make sure you go get yours. You can get this old OG design, or you can go get that new. You know what I'm saying? Go check out the store. Like I said, link is in the description box below. Until we get to 10,000, then the shirt's just gonna be flat out at the bottom. So y'all help me make that happen. Make sure you comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Share the videos. They say sometimes informational, but for the most time, you know, shit, they just entertaining. So it is what it is, man. Alright, man, well, I gotta go get ready for work, so appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. It's your boy, LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice to choose while the end. Productivity over procrastination, and remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Oh.